I am Mikael Massa, a seeker of truth, a guardian of ancestral wisdom, and a messenger of Kongo spirituality. The world has forgotten the roots of divine knowledge, but today we awaken the ancient voices of our ancestors, the wisdom of Kimuntu, and the hidden truths of the universe. Join me on this journey to rediscover the sacred knowledge of the Bantu people, the spiritual power of Longo, and the cosmic order of Kongo Cosmology. Subscribe and share. Unveiling Nzambi, the Kongo concept of God and its enduring legacy. Dive into the rich spiritual tapestry of the Kongo tradition and discover the profound concept of Nzambi, the supreme being, and its lasting impact on African and diasporic cultures. This exploration is tailored for historians and Afro-descendants seeking a deeper understanding of Kongo spirituality. In the heart of the Kongo tradition lies the understanding of God as Nzambi, the supreme being. This entity is not merely a distant creator, but an omnipresent, omniscient, and omnipotent force that permeates all existence. Nzambi is known by various names and attributes, each revealing a different facet of his divine nature. These attributes are not separate entities, but interconnected aspects of a single, unified Godhead. The three primary attributes of Nzambi are Lendo, power, Zola, love, and Gangu, intelligence. These are not merely abstract concepts, but active forces that shape the universe. They represent the fundamental principles that govern creation, sustenance, and governance. Understanding these attributes is key to grasping the Kongo worldview. These attributes manifest in distinct forms: Nembumba, creative intelligence; Kongo Kalunga, love and wisdom; and Pungu, almighty power. Nembumba is the architect of the universe, the source of all innovation and knowledge. Kongo Kalunga sustains the cosmos with love and wisdom, ensuring balance and harmony. Pungu wields the power to govern all creation, maintaining order and justice. The Kongo religion recognizes a divine trinity, mirroring similar concepts in other spiritual traditions. This trinity is not a rigid dogma, but a fluid representation of the interconnectedness of divine attributes. It emphasizes the dynamic relationship between creation, preservation, and governance. Nembumba is symbolized by electricity or lightning, and Nzaziki, representing the raw, creative energy that sparks existence. This symbol highlights the transformative power of intelligence and innovation. It connects the divine to the natural world, demonstrating the presence of Nzambi in all things. Kongo Kalunga is symbolized by the circle, Lukongolo, embodying unity, love, and wisdom. The circle represents the eternal nature of God and the cyclical nature of life. It signifies the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of harmony and balance. Pungu is symbolized by the eagle, Mbemba, representing power and authority. The eagle soars above, possessing a broad vision and commanding presence. This symbol reflects the divine power that governs the universe and ensures justice and order. The names and concepts of God in the Kongo tradition resonate deeply with other African and global cultures. This shared spiritual vocabulary points to a common ancestral heritage and a universal human quest to understand the divine. Exploring these connections enriches our understanding of both Kongo spirituality and the broader human experience. The names Mbumba, Mbumbi appear in regions like Uganda, Gabon, and the Kasai, highlighting the widespread recognition of God as the creator. Kongo Kalunga, Karunga are found in Namibia, Malawi, Mozambique, Zambia, Tanzania, and Kenya, demonstrating the enduring concept of God as love and wisdom. Mpungu, Mungu are used in Swahili-speaking regions and among the Batabua people of Katanga, emphasizing God's almighty power. Nzambi, derived from the verb kuzambilakana, to be everywhere, underscores God's omnipresence. This name encapsulates the Kongo understanding of God as an all-encompassing force that permeates every aspect of existence. It emphasizes the intimate connection between the divine and the world. These names demonstrate the profound influence of Kongo spiritual concepts across Africa and beyond. They reveal a shared spiritual heritage and a common understanding of the divine. This linguistic and conceptual unity underscores the interconnectedness of African cultures. Symbolism plays a crucial role in Kongo spirituality, providing visual and conceptual representations of abstract ideas. The circle and the eagle are two prominent symbols that embody key aspects of the Kongo worldview. Understanding these symbols unlocks deeper layers of meaning within the tradition. The circle, Lukongolo, symbolizes the eternal nature of God, unity, and the cyclical nature of life. It represents the unbroken connection between the divine and the world. The circle also signifies the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of harmony and balance. The eagle, Mbemba, symbolizes power, vision, and divine authority. It is associated with the name Pungu, which means God in some African languages. The eagle's soaring flight and keen eyesight represent the divine perspective and the ability to see beyond the limitations of the physical world. The Kongo tradition emphasizes the importance of ancestors and spiritual beings as intermediaries between the living and the divine. These entities play a vital role in maintaining harmony and guiding individuals on their spiritual path. Reverence for ancestors is a cornerstone of Kongo spirituality. Basimbi Biansami are divine spirits or angels who assist God in governing the universe. They are messengers and agents of divine will, carrying out God's plans and ensuring the smooth functioning of the cosmos. Makulbi Matia are chariots of fire used by these spirits to travel across the cosmos, symbolizing their divine power and mobility. Ancestors are revered as intermediaries between the living and the divine. Their wisdom is considered essential for maintaining harmony in the community. They provide guidance, protection, and blessings to their descendants. Honoring ancestors is a way of connecting with the past and ensuring the continuity of tradition. Several key spiritual concepts underpin the Kongo worldview, providing a framework for understanding the nature of reality and the relationship between humanity and the divine. These concepts offer insights into the Kongo understanding of life, creation, and power. Moyo, life, signifies that God is the source of all life, and His presence permeates everything in the universe. Life is not merely a biological phenomenon, but a manifestation of the divine. This concept emphasizes the sacredness of all living beings and the interconnectedness of all creation. Kuzamba, omnipresence, means that God is everywhere, within and beyond the physical world. This concept underscores the intimate connection between the divine and the world. It emphasizes that God is not a distant creator, but an ever-present force that sustains and guides all things. Kusema Kubumba, creation, signifies that God is the ultimate creator, and the universe is His divine workshop. This concept highlights the divine origin of all things and the ongoing process of creation. It emphasizes the creative potential within each individual and the importance of contributing to the ongoing evolution of the universe. Kupungula, power, means that God's power governs the universe and ensures the balance between good and evil. This concept underscores the importance of justice and order in the cosmos. It emphasizes the responsibility of individuals to use their power wisely and to contribute to the maintenance of balance and harmony. The Kongo language and culture share deep connections with other African languages and cultures, reflecting a shared spiritual heritage and a common ancestral origin. Exploring these connections reveals the interconnectedness of African peoples and the enduring influence of Kongo spirituality. Words like Mpungu, God, and Mbumba, creator, appear in various forms across the continent, demonstrating a shared understanding of the divine. This linguistic unity reflects a common spiritual vocabulary and a shared cultural heritage. It underscores the interconnectedness of African cultures and the enduring influence of Kongo spirituality. The Kongo culture, language, and spirituality have profoundly influenced the Americas, particularly in regions where enslaved Africans from the Kongo Kingdom were taken during the transatlantic slave trade. This influence is evident in the Caribbean, Haiti, Martinique, Guadeloupe, Cuba, Jamaica, Trinidad, and South America, Brazil, where Kongo traditions have been preserved and adapted over centuries. This legacy stands as a testament to the resilience and creativity of African people in the face of adversity. Kongo language and cultural practices have left a lasting imprint on the languages and traditions of the African diaspora in the Americas. This influence is evident in various aspects of culture, including language, spiritual practices, music, dance, and martial arts. Exploring these connections reveals the enduring legacy of the Kongo Kingdom in the Americas. The Kongo language, Kikongo, and cultural practices have left a lasting imprint on the languages and traditions of the African diaspora in the Americas. Examples include words from Kikongo are found in Creole languages spoken in the Caribbean and Brazil. For instance, Ababa, mute, a glutton; Kongo, dark-skinned African; Yaya, term of endearment; and Nzambi, evil spirit. These words provide a tangible link to the Kongo past and demonstrate the enduring influence of Kikongo on diasporic languages. Many names and titles in the Americas are of Kongo origin, such as Makandal, Makandala, leadership title, and Ganga, healer, spiritual leader. These names and titles reflect the enduring influence of Kongo culture on the social and spiritual structures of diasporic communities. Kongo traditions have also influenced music, dance, and martial arts in the Americas, demonstrating the embodied nature of Kongo spirituality. These art forms serve as vehicles for cultural expression and spiritual connection. Capoeira, the Afro-Brazilian martial art, has roots in Kongo traditions. The circular formation and the use of colors, red, blue, yellow, in capoeira rituals reflect the sacred symbolism of Kongo spirituality. Laja Damye, a traditional martial art in Martinique, shares similarities with capoeira and is often accompanied by spiritual practices and rituals. Kongo's spiritual symbols and rituals continue to be practiced in the Americas, providing a tangible link to the ancestral past. These symbols and rituals serve as a means of connecting with the divine and maintaining cultural identity. The circle, Lukongolo, is a sacred symbol in Kongo spirituality, representing unity, eternity, and the divine. It is used in rituals, dances, and martial arts in the Americas. The cross in Kongo tradition predates Christianity and is associated with the ancestral figure Nakulunsi. This symbol is also found in Afro-Caribbean spiritual practices. Nature spirits, Basimbi, are revered in Kongo tradition and continue to be invoked in Afro-Caribbean and Afro-Brazilian religions. Enslaved Kongo people played a significant role in resistance movements and uprisings in the Americas. Their spiritual beliefs and cultural practices provided strength and inspiration in the fight for freedom. Leaders like Makandal in Haiti invoked Kongo spiritual traditions to inspire resistance against colonial oppression. Figures like Zumbi dos Palmares in Brazil are believed to have Kongo ancestry and drew on Kongo cultural and spiritual practices in their fight for freedom. These figures represent the enduring legacy of Kongo resistance and leadership in the Americas. The Kongo spiritual tradition, often referred to as Bukongo, is a holistic system that integrates religion, science, and politics. It offers a comprehensive framework for understanding the nature of reality and the relationship between humanity and the divine. The unity of all creation is a central tenet of the Kongo worldview. Humans, animals, plants, and minerals are interconnected, differing only in their vibrational energy. The Divine Trinity, Nzambi as intelligence, love, and power, represents the multifaceted nature of God and the interconnectedness of divine attributes. Ancestors are revered as intermediaries between the living and the divine, guiding and protecting their descendants. The Kongo spiritual and cultural heritage has profoundly influenced the African diaspora in the Americas. From language and music to spiritual practices and resistance movements, the legacy of the Kongo Kingdom endures as a testament to the resilience and creativity of African people. This heritage serves as a bridge connecting the past, present, and future. This exploration of the Kongo concept of God, Nzambi, and its enduring legacy is just the beginning. We encourage you, historians and Afro-descendants, to delve deeper into this rich spiritual tradition. Research, document, and share the stories of Kongo resilience and adaptation. Let us work together to preserve and celebrate this vital part of our shared heritage. Explore the resources mentioned, connect with Kongo cultural organizations, and continue to learn about the profound impact of Kongo spirituality on the world. Unveiling the Textus Receptus, a Bantu perspective on biblical origins and the doctrine of the Trinity. Did you know that the Bible you hold in your hands might be based on a text compiled from relatively late and potentially flawed manuscripts? Let's embark on a journey to explore the Textus Receptus, its origins, and its implications, particularly concerning the doctrine of the Trinity, all viewed through a critical Bantu lens. Desiderius Erasmus, a prominent Renaissance scholar, compiled his Greek New Testament in the 16th century. This compilation, however, relied primarily on relatively late manuscripts. These manuscripts, while valuable, were not necessarily the most accurate representations of the original texts. Later copies of biblical texts often contained additions, variations, and interpretations that had accumulated over centuries. This raises significant concerns about the accuracy and reliability of Erasmus's source material. Were these additions divinely inspired, or were they influenced by human agendas? Consider the story of the woman taken in adultery, John 7:53-8:11, or the extended ending of Mark 16 and 9-20. These passages are absent from some of the oldest and most reliable manuscripts, suggesting they were later additions. This highlights the potential for alterations and interpolations within the biblical text. The Johannine Comma, found in 1 John 5 verse 7-8, is a crucial verse for explicitly supporting the doctrine of the Trinity. It states, "For there are three that bear record in heaven, the Father, the Word, and the Holy Ghost, and these three are one." This verse provides a seemingly direct scriptural basis for the Trinitarian concept. However, this verse was conspicuously absent from the vast majority of Greek manuscripts available to Erasmus. Its absence presented a significant challenge to the established theological understanding of the Trinity. How could such a fundamental doctrine be supported if the primary scriptural evidence was missing? The omission of the Johannine Comma directly challenged the prevailing theological narrative. It forced theologians to grapple with the question of whether the Trinity was truly a biblically supported doctrine or a later theological construct. This sparked a heated debate that continues to this day. The absence of the Johannine Comma in Erasmus's initial editions sparked considerable criticism from staunch defenders of the traditional Trinitarian view. They accused him of undermining a core tenet of Christian belief. The pressure mounted for him to rectify this perceived omission. Juan de Zúñiga, also known as Stúñiga, a Spanish scholar and critic of Erasmus, vehemently demanded the restoration of the Johannine Comma in future editions of the Greek New Testament. He argued that its absence was a grave error that needed immediate correction. The controversy intensified. A manuscript containing the Johannine Comma was subsequently discovered. This manuscript, known as Codex Montfortianus, became the basis for its inclusion in later editions of the Textus Receptus. The circumstances surrounding this discovery remain a subject of debate and scrutiny. Editions of Erasmus, Stephanus, Beza, and the Elzevirs, all based on similar manuscript traditions, collectively became known as the Textus Receptus, meaning the received text. This text gained widespread acceptance and influence throughout Europe. It became the standard Greek text for centuries. The Textus Receptus formed the basis for numerous translations, including the King James Bible, one of the most influential and widely read English translations of the Bible. This cemented the Textus Receptus's position as the authoritative source for biblical interpretation. Its influence is undeniable. However, it's crucial to remember that the Textus Receptus was based on relatively late and less reliable manuscripts compared to those available today. This raises questions about its accuracy and its suitability as the sole foundation for biblical understanding. A critical reevaluation is necessary. In the 19th and 20th centuries, biblical scholars began to prioritize scientific principles in establishing the Greek New Testament text. They moved away from relying solely on the Textus Receptus and sought to reconstruct the original text using the oldest and most reliable manuscripts available. This marked a paradigm shift in biblical scholarship. This approach involves meticulously analyzing the oldest and best manuscripts, comparing variations and applying principles of textual criticism to determine the most likely original reading. This rigorous process aims to eliminate later additions and alterations, providing a more accurate representation of the original text. This critical textual analysis allows for a more nuanced and accurate understanding of the biblical text, free from the biases and limitations of the Textus Receptus. It empowers us to engage with the scriptures in a more informed and intellectually honest way. It allows us to reclaim our narrative. The Textus Receptus, with its inclusion of passages like the Johannine Comma, preserved and reinforced the theological framework supporting the doctrine of the Trinity. This doctrine, however, has been subject to scrutiny regarding its origins and potential influences from pagan religious traditions. The concept of a triune Godhead, or a deity existing in three distinct forms, has parallels in various ancient pagan religious traditions. Examples include the Egyptian triads of Osiris, Isis, and Horus, and the Babylonian triad of Anu, Enlil, and Ea. These similarities raise questions about the uniqueness of the Christian Trinity. Examining the origins of the Trinity and comparing them with indigenous African spiritual traditions reveals alternative perspectives on the nature of the divine. It allows us to explore whether the Trinitarian concept aligns with or diverges from African understandings of spirituality and cosmology. This comparative analysis is crucial. The authentic Bantu cosmology offers a different perspective on the divine, emphasizing harmony, balance, and interconnectedness. It presents an alternative to the Trinitarian concept that is deeply rooted in African spiritual wisdom. This cosmology provides a framework for understanding the universe and our place within it. The Bantu concept of the divine often represents a harmonious, natural balance between different aspects of existence. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things and the importance of maintaining equilibrium in the universe. This holistic view contrasts with the more hierarchical structure often associated with the Trinity. This perspective offers a valuable alternative rooted in African spiritual wisdom, providing a framework for understanding the divine that resonates with African cultural values and beliefs. It empowers us to reclaim our spiritual heritage and to develop a more authentic understanding of the divine. Civilization needs to be redefined through an African lens, understanding it not merely as technological advancement, but as a journey towards spiritual maturity and harmony with the universe. This redefinition challenges Western-centric notions of progress and emphasizes the importance of spiritual development. In Bantu cosmology, Kongo symbolizes the hidden energy of the supreme power, the source of all creation and the foundation of existence. It represents the potential for spiritual growth and transformation within each individual. Understanding Kongo is key to understanding the Bantu worldview. Kongo initiates are often referred to as leopard tamers, symbolizing their ability to harness and channel the raw energy of the universe. They are tasked with founding civilization based on universal laws of harmony and balance. This highlights the role of spiritual leaders in shaping society. Longo in Bantu languages designates the sacred word, the bond that connects all things, and the law that governs the universe. It represents the power of language to create, to heal, and to transform. Understanding Longo is essential for understanding the Bantu concept of creation. The term Longo evolved into the Latin logos, meaning the sacred word containing the seed of creation. This highlights the influence of African thought on Western philosophical and theological concepts. It demonstrates the deep roots of African wisdom in shaping global intellectual traditions. This connection underscores the importance of recognizing and reclaiming the contributions of African thought to the development of human knowledge. It challenges the narrative that Africa was merely a recipient of Western ideas and highlights its role as a source of profound wisdom. It's time to engage critically with the Textus Receptus, to research the origins of the Trinity, and to support African-centered education that empowers us to reclaim our spiritual power. We must challenge the dominant narratives and seek a deeper understanding of our own heritage. Research the historical context of the Textus Receptus and the doctrine of the Trinity. Explore alternative spiritual traditions that resonate with your own cultural background. Support educational initiatives that promote African-centered perspectives on history, spirituality, and culture. By taking these steps, we can reclaim our spiritual power, develop a more authentic understanding of the divine, and contribute to the creation of a more just and equitable world. Let us embark on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment together. Subscribe and harm my beloved family. Ingeda your brother Mikael Massa.